Okay, I'm taking a video of this whole area near the intake. There's a small hose right here. I want to take a note that it came off the block. The valve cover, whatever you want to call this. I took it off and cleaned it. But if it comes with the engine overall kit, a brand new one, I'll stick that on there. But I just wanted to make a note that this little short rickety pipe came off the block here. A valve cover. Valve cover. I know what that is. I ain't under here not knowing nothing. Look, I YouTubed this shit before I got started. Plus, I got a little background, a mechanical background. My father was a mechanic, and he always had me under the hood, handing them tools and ratchets and shit. And so while I was under there, I was learning a little something. Okay, so I'm actually learning right now, so that's why I'm taking the video, and hopefully I can help some other people, because I saw videos. There are a lot of videos about changing valve cover gaskets and head gaskets. And one thing I noticed about all of the videos is, first and foremost, no one distinguished between the valve cover gaskets and the head gasket, which are two totally different gaskets. And people use them interchangeably, but they are not the same. To get to my valve cover gaskets, I would just have to pull off these valve covers. Pull all these 1,000 screws and change the head valve cover gaskets. It's a little gasket in between there on the motor. And in order to change that, I would just have to take these caps off of here. Alright. But for your heads, let's see. I'm going to have to take off the whole manifold and all that shit. Get down in there and get to them gaskets. Or is that the same thing? No, it is not. Your manifold got a gasket too, I think. I noticed there was a lot of different little gaskets as you take off the engine. That is assuming what I'm assuming the reason why when they sell you a gaskets, they sell you a kit, because you should be replacing all of the gaskets that you come across in the process, since you're going in and taking everything out anyway. But I'll get back with y'all on that difference between valve cover gasket and the head gasket.